Hey guys, welcome back to Salvagemasterv channel for Lexus rebuild part 3. In today's episode we're gonna do some pulls, drill out the core support and do some measurements, make sure everything is good. I want to check out the engine cradle, make sure it's good and not tweaked. If it's tweaked we need to take it out and replace it with a new one. In the previous episode I didn't show you the parts. Here's all the parts. I got the passenger side headlight, I got the bumper, grille, lower grille, hinges, fog light, bracket. I don't know how this is called, but this sits in the core support, prevent the air getting from the side to side. This is a lower piece on the bumper that goes on the bottom on the passenger side. And this is the fog light cover, not the cover, the fog light trim goes over here. This headlight has been fixed by me. It got the broken tabs, so I repaired the tabs. This tab I couldn't repair. It's been broken in multiple pieces. I would have to order replacement part that are available from the dealership. When the tabs are broken, you can buy different tabs and they screws in the place over here. We got our core support, it's aftermarket, Kappa certified, and we have our aftermarket radiator and AC condenser, as well as the aftermarket fender, which is Kappa certified also. And here are fender trims. They're all good and in good condition. So enough talking, let's get to work. Let's drill out this core support so I have access to do some pulls on this apron and the frame rail. Let's get it started. That's it. I'm done with the core support. Let's move on to the frame rail on the passenger side and start working on that. Okay. Everything is out of the way. Now we can see the closer damage and make a strategy of what needs to be done. This rail is a little bit dented over here, but that's not a problem. We're gonna replace this cap anyway. We have a little bit of kink over here, which is not a big issue. Also, the main damage is over here, as you can see, and we're gonna be saving this part. This part doesn't come with the core support. I didn't know that, but it doesn't look badly damaged. Just a kink over here, so it's not a problem. Now, since everything is out, let's pull the frame towards the passenger side and pull this frame rail out to get it straight as possible. Let's start. Alright, as you can see, I drew out all the core support, everything is out of the way, and I did measure the engine cradle cross to cross. So this engine cradle way too far on the driver's side. Also, what I noticed is over here under a lower control arm, there is a buckle on the engine cradle. Also over here, I don't know if you guys can see, but this motor mount sits sideways and it's popped out over here. So this engine cradle needs to be pulled out. That's what we're gonna do it right now. In order to remove the engine cradle, I have to get those 4 brackets out. There's a 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Then I would have to remove the 4 bolts in the frame that holds the engine cradle. Then I would have to remove the lower control arm, steering rack and stabilizer because there's exhaust on my way. Let's start taking parts out. out. Now you can see where's the buckle on the driver's side was. So here's the buckle was. Let's check the square and see how bad is it. This is one side right on the edge. It's right on the edge. Let's see. Check this out. This one is right in the middle of the hole, a little bit past it, but this side, it's right on the edge. Now you can see what could happen with this kind of heat. Let's get those lower control arms off. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. I know it's not a whole lot of progress, but this job is time consuming. Be sure to like this video, follow, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Salvagemasterv, to see inside scoop there before YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.